Welcome to Greetings of the Day. Greeting people is very important in French, as in any other language. In this lesson, we will learn how to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, hi, good evening, and how to reply. In French, we simply use bonjour, whatever the hour of the day, and the reply is also bonjour. So there is only one word for good morning, good afternoon, and hello. Easy, isn't it? You can also say salut to say hi. This greeting is less formal than bonjour. You can reply by bonjour or salut. Good evening in French is bonsoir, and the reply is simply bonsoir. In this lesson, you have learned how to greet someone and reply. So let's practice. I'll say the greeting and you reply. Bonjour. Bonsoir.